before starting the video, if you are new and have not subscribed our YouTube channel, press the subscribe button. In today's video, we will learn steps to create and launch an effective NGO. Creating an NGO involves several steps to ensure that it operates effectively and legally. Here's basic outline of the steps you can follow. Number 1. Define the mission and objectives. Determine the purpose of your NGO, identify the social or environmental issues you want to address, and clearly outline your organization's mission and objectives. Number 2. Research and planning. Conduct thorough research to understand the needs and challenges related to your chosen cause. Analyze the existing NGOs in the field to identify gaps where your organization can make a unique contribution. Develop a detailed business plan that outlines your strategies, target audience, funding sources, and operational approach. Number 3. Form a funding team. Assemble a group of committed individuals who share your passion for the cause and possess the skills required to establish and run the NGO successfully. Roles and responsibilities should be clearly defined. Number 4. Name and registration. Choose a name that reflects your NGO's mission and is not already in use by another organization. Register your NGO as a legal entity with the relevant government authorities. The specific process and requirements vary depending on your country's law and regulations. Number 5. Board of Directors. Appoint a board of directors to oversee the organization's governance and provide strategic guidance. The board should consist of individuals with diverse expertise and experience. Number 6. Develop governing documents. Prepare the necessary governing documents such as the constitution, bylaws, and policies. These documents will define the structure, roles, and responsibilities of the organizations and its members. Number 7. Obtain necessary approvals. Depending on your country's regulations, you may need to obtain various permits or approvals to operate legally. This could include tax-exempt status if you plan to seek donations or grants. Number 8. Fundraising and financial management. Create a fundraising strategy to secure the necessary financial resources for your NGO's activities. Set up a transparent and accountable financial management system to track income, expenses, and donations. Number 9. Office setup and staffing. Establish a physical office or workspace for your NGO and hire staff or volunteer as needed. Clearly communicate your organization's values, culture, and expectations to potential team members. Number 10. Build partnership and collaborations. Forge partnership with other NGOs, government agencies, business, and community groups to leverage resources and maximize your impact. Number 11. Launch and publicity. Launch your NGO and start implementing your programs and projects. Use various communication channels including social media, press releases, and events to create awareness about your organization and initiatives. Number 12. Monitor and evaluate. Regularly monitor the progress of your project and evaluate their impact. Use this information to make informed decisions, improve your programs, and report to stakeholders and donors. Number 13. Comply with reporting requirements. Fulfill all legal and regulatory reporting requirements such as filing annual reports of financial statements to maintain your NGO's legal status. Remember that starting an NGO requires dedication, perseverance, and strong commitment to your mission. It's also crucial to build a strong network of supporters and stakeholders who share your vision and are willing to contribute to the cause. Seek legal advice and guidance throughout the process to ensure compliance with local laws and regulations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe for more videos.